Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that's protected by cryptography, making it really hard to counterfeit. This currency can be exchanged for other currencies. Cryptocurrency may be used to purchase items, invest, mine, and pay for services in the business world. In this video, we'll give you an insight into Coinbase and Voyager. This will greatly assist you in determining which option is best for you, as it's dependent on your needs and interests. Hello folks, welcome to the Smart Money channel, the best place for you to learn more about the best options available in the investment markets throughout the globe. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Now, with all that done, let's get straight into the video, shall we? The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrencies come in a variety of forms, with Bitcoin being the most well-known. Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Litecoin, IOTA, NEO, Qtum, and Monero are some examples. Cryptocurrency cannot be stored in the same way as other forms of money. In the case of transactions, a digital signature will be utilized as a key. There are 1,800 Bitcoin ATMs in 58 countries around the world. There are a few websites where you may exchange cryptocurrencies. Websites like Voyager and Coinbase are examples of this. Coinbase is the most user-friendly platform for newcomers to begin trading. Voyager, iTrust Capital, SmartBotCoin, Kraken, and CoinMama are just a few of the many Coinbase alternatives. Coinbase. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, Coinbase is a terrific place to start. This is useful for secure and straightforward cryptocurrency trade. You may link Coinbase to your bank account and use it to exchange cryptocurrencies. The disadvantage is that when you buy Bitcoin via Coinbase, you'll be charged at a high cost. If the transaction amount is less than $10, you'll be charged a flat fee of $0.99. If the transaction is worth more than $10 but less than $25, you'll be charged $1.49. If the transaction is valued at more than $50 but less than $200, you'll be charged $2.99. The majority of individuals do not use Coinbase because of the exorbitant charge. The main reason people use Coinbase is that it allows them to trade cryptocurrency without having a complete understanding of what it is. It's great for those who want to learn on the go. If you're a complete cryptocurrency newbie, this website is a good place to start. You can also use your credit card to purchase Bitcoin. Although it's ideal for beginners, the features implemented on the website to prevent fraud frustrate users. To transfer cash to an external wallet, you must be patient for a 3-day waiting time. For day traders, Coinbase is not a good option. It's also not the best option if you're looking for privacy and security. When you sell funds and want to transfer money to a bank account, you must wait for funds to clear for many days. Coinbase's cryptocurrency options aren't particularly appealing. Only the most well-known coins such as Ethereum and Bitcoin are available. This is entirely dependent on your priorities. Coinbase is a fantastic place to start if you're new to cryptocurrency or just want to own some. You'll appreciate how they make transactions simple and straightforward. If you're an expert in this industry though, you might want to explore Coinbase alternatives. Coinbase may eventually become a source of annoyance for you. Voyager. Voyager, formerly known as Ethos, is a Coinbase competitor. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, this is simply the greatest app. This software provides protection and keeps you up to date in the ever-changing cryptocurrency market. This is the place to go if you like commission-free trading and want something mobile for your Bitcoin exchanges. This software has a lot more options than Coinbase. More than 50 online assets are available through Voyager. This software includes a number of in-app tools that make it simple to track, chart, and manage your online portfolio. On the Voyager app, you can even earn a whopping 9.5% APR on 17 of the most popular online assets. Except for New York, Voyager is currently only available to residents of the United States of America and its territories. It's been stated that the app will be accessible in Canada in the near future. They've stated that they would merge with LGO, which is a digital asset exchange established in Europe that focuses on institutions. This will aid in the distribution of the app throughout Europe. Voyager offers a one-of-a-kind trading capability, as well as a safe cryptocurrency wallet and a newsfeed. It incorporates many of the capabilities that an expert cryptocurrency trader will demand, as well as the simplicity that novice traders require. It is not, however, suggested for beginners. Coinbase is easier to use for newcomers. For iPhones, this app is the greatest. While Coinbase has a strong presence in the industry, Voyager is still a newcomer. Investors that keep money in their Voyager account earn interest from Voyager. This feature is not available on Coinbase. The sign-up process for Voyager is simpler than that of Coinbase. The KYC is approved in just 10 minutes in Voyager. When you sign up for Voyager, you'll get a bonus of $25 in Bitcoin deposited to your account. If you're an intermediate trader interested in learning about cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Litecoin, Voyager is the app for you. A day trader, for example, who intends to invest in tiny sums or make a large number of trades, will benefit from commission-free trading. Voyager outperforms Coinbase by providing interest on 20 additional cryptocurrencies that Coinbase and Coinbase Pro do not. On the stable cryptocurrency USDC, Voyager pays 8.85% more interest. Voyager outperforms Coinbase by giving 9% from USDC, 6.25% for BTC, 5.25% for ETH, 5.25% for ADA, 8% for DOT, 5.5% for Link, and 6.5% for LTC. Coinbase outperforms Voyager in terms of interest only on DAI, Algo, Atom, and XTZ. If you're a large individual investor or a small institution, buying large coin orders above $10,000 on Coinbase Pro and transferring the cryptos to Voyager to earn interest would be the most ideal option. This would be the most economical option. However, this would not work for USDC because it's free to purchase USDC on Voyager. You're wasting money if you're a retail investor or an institution holding any of the aforementioned 24 cryptos, excluding Atom and XTZ, on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. Send it to Voyager to get a lot more attention. Voyager's balance statement shows around $200 million in cash and cash equivalents with no debt. Voyager exclusively lends out its cryptos to robust organizations with good balance sheets, such as Galaxy Digital, Jump Capital, and BitGo. This lending is on demand and can be summoned at any time by Voyager, making it a low-risk investment. These forms of loans were unaffected by the crypto market meltdown in March 2020, when Bitcoin plunged 35% in a single day. Because Voyager is satisfied with the revenue generated by spreads, they return nearly all of the interest they earn to its clients. Voyager makes buying vetted cryptos and earning interest on cryptos considerably easier and safer for the common individual than any of the decentralized international exchanges. Voyager is more user-friendly than any other decentralized exchange, which is a significant advantage for the typical individual. At the very least, Voyager will explain the cryptos on its platform. Voyager is much less expensive for ordinary investors than trading cryptos on any decentralized exchange on the Ethereum mainnet. At the moment, Ethereum gas fees range from $50 to $150 for each deal. Voyager pays significantly more interest on the largest cryptos than any of its centralized exchange competitors in the United States. Because Voyager is a brokerage, it cannot fall down or crash due to high volume. Voyager will divert orders to other exchanges if Coinbase or other exchanges fall down. Voyager has cheaper trading costs than centralized platforms like Coinbase, which are easier to use. Voyager plans to launch a debit and credit card, as well as wage deposits, stock trading, lending, and margin in the future. Cryptocurrency is the up-and-coming type of currency in a world where everything's going digital. Before you begin trading, you must first determine which app's best for you. Both Coinbase and Voyager are valuable in various ways, and both strive to help Bitcoin traders. But remember to examine the benefits and drawbacks before determining which option's best for you. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.